Raise your arm and we'll come with you. On the gent side, any questions? That means one of three things. Either everything is crystal clear. Number two, the people are shy. Or number three, lots of questions towards the end. I'm coming on the gent side.
Alaykum salam.
You mentioned that a very interesting thing, which is that faith is dynamic.
Yeah.
Could you give us some examples of what you meant by that?
It means that you are always in need of new decisions, new choices. You cannot retire. You cannot say, I go to autopilot mode and just, enjoy myself. Everything will go normal. Every moment we have to be alert. Even when you may not expect, some of the major decisions may come. For example, sometimes you think when you go home, there is nothing to worry about. Not knowing that maybe today in home there is big test for you. You come to masjid, say, Alhamdulillah, this is the time I want to relax, and pray to Allah. The big test comes there. You can never, say, my test is here or there, or the answer is this or that. You have to be 360-degree alert. The test, the opportunities also. You may remember, or some of you might remember, because some are new, that I said Prophet Musa, ala nabiyina wa alihi wa salam, when was taking his family in dark night, he was very concerned about their safety. But he saw a fire on the side, not in front. Why I say it was on the side? Because the Quran says he told his family to wait, I go and check. If it was in front of them, they would have all gone and reached. فَقَالَ لَأَحْلِهِمْ كُثُوا أَنِّي آنَسْتُ نَارًا. He said, this fire, I go and check. If it is something good, I will bring it for you. لَعَلِّي آتِيكُمْ. Maybe I bring some of this fire. He then had the best of experiences of his life till that time. He became a prophet. If he was not alert, if he was sleepy or just looking in front of him, he would have missed that opportunity. So, you have to be always careful. Always look around. There can be a danger, there can be an opportunity. Especially in this age, speed is also very high. Some games, initially, the low speed, then they make it faster and faster. We are mu'mineen that have joined this race of haq and batil when it is very fast. In the past, maybe every century had one major incident. Now, every few years, the world is changing so fast. What we have seen in our generation, no generation maybe has seen so much of changes. So we have to be very alert, very careful, and we need to also act, inshallah, as I will explain later, as a team. Because when you need lots of things to check, then you cannot check it alone. We have to be as a team, inshallah.
We'll take one more question, because that was a super question and an amazing answer. Any more questions, ladies?
Salam.
So this alertness and dynamism, it's not equitable across everybody, because somebody would have the hikmah and somebody would be finding it difficult for that hikmah.
Yeah.
How do you achieve? Is it earned or is it given from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala?
Hikmah? Hikmah is a gift, but Allah gives His gifts for good reason. If someone is always using figures up to 100, we don't give him a calculator, because he doesn't need more than 100. We give gift to people. Someone doesn't know Arabic, we don't give him an Arabic text as a gift. Yeah? So, hikmah is a gift, but Allah gives this gift to people that qualify for it. I have 2 series on hikmah, one given the Shrine of Lady Makhloom, one in London, and I have explained what qualifications we need to get gift of hikmah. But if we don't have that gift of hikmah, at least we should connect ourselves to those who have hikmah. We don't need to all be wise. Yeah? But if there is Luqmanul Hakim there, we should be humble and go and ask him for hikmah. We shouldn't say to Allah, "Oh Allah, give me hikmah to me directly." Because actually one of the major qualities that you need for hikmah is humbleness. If you really love hikmah, you should show your appreciation of the hikmah that other people have to share. So this is again where we as a community can be much better. Because in community as a whole, we may have wise people and some wisdom that we can benefit. Similarly, for example, children. If children, they don't have that much of wisdom that, for example, maybe their parents or grandparents have, they should benefit from that wisdom. They shouldn't say, "I don't need, wisdom. I know myself everything." Humility is a great characteristic. That if we have, lots of doors will be open to us. If we don't have humility, we close ourselves all the doors. Can I say the question for discussion now? Yeah. Oh. Inshallah, after break, we are going to have group discussion. And as Brother Arif said, it would be better if people of the same group remain together for these 6 weeks, so that you know each other, and then inshallah we would have a project also for you. For tonight, there is a question. Okay? There is a question which is helping us also for the rest of our discussion. In your estimation, what are top 5 good characteristics that you think Shia community in London have, and 5 negative characteristics or shortcomings that you think we have to be considered as good followers. So 5 positive and 5 negative. So each group would discuss, and then at the end, one of them would present what are their, ideas.
Awesome. So, if I may ask for everyone's attention, I'm going to go through a few announcements. These are very important